Hello and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Hemant and now we are going to discuss about the components or subjects that come under the General Ability Test of the National Defense Academy or Naval Academy Examination. Remember, I won't go in detail about the subtopics and the chapters that have to be covered in each and every subject. Instead, I will tell you and let you know about the level of difficulty and the probability of the number of questions that might come in the coming up examination by analyzing the previous year's question. So without wasting any time, let's start. So beginning with about the components of the NDA General Ability Test syllabus, these are those important subjects that have to be covered under the GAT examination of NDA. So the main important subjects are all of these. They include the physics, chemistry, biology, Indian polity, history, geography, economics, defense specific subjects, and also the current affairs and the static GK. So I can't tell you which particular subject is very much most important. In the end, I will tell you which subject carries how much amount of importance and which subject has more number of questions, which particular subject has how much amount of percentage in the case of the whole of NDA examination, NDA syllabus. So let us first go through what are each and every subject is about and what are all the things regarding each and every particular subject. So in each and every subject, I will go through the previous year's number of questions that might come. So I will be discussing with you from the year of 2015 to the year of 2019. So in 2020, both NDA 1 and NDA 2 are going to be conducted at the same time. So NDA 1 2020 is not there. There is only one NDA 2020. So both NDA 1 2015, NDA 2 2015, all the way up to NDA 1 and NDA 2 of 2019. I will give a complete detailed analysis of the number of questions that came in each and every subject. And also by analyzing the average of all of these, I will tell you how many number of questions we might expect in the coming up of the NDA 2020 examination. Okay. So stay tuned, always be careful, be attentive while listening to what I'm telling, because each and every point is extremely important. If you want to qualify the NDA examination, it is extremely important to qualify the GAT test also. GAT paper is considered to be also one of the easiest and also one of the most difficult papers to be set up by the NDA question paper setters. So this you have to always remember. Scoring in mathematics and scoring in English is different, but scoring in the complete general subjects is very much different. See, GAT paper consists of both English and all of these subjects. Okay, I am not covering up the English part. I hope that you have gone through the syllabus analysis of the English. And English carries of around 50 questions, and all of these subjects that I'm telling you, both all of these subjects will be around of 100 questions. Okay, so my analysis would be based on the remaining 100 questions, so that you have to remember. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will go through and analyze each and every subject. So let us begin by understanding about the physics NDA previous year's question and answer analysis. The maximum number of questions from physics came up in the year of 2016, NDA 2 2016, and that is around 26 questions. And after that, the maximum number of questions also came in a very recent paper, that is in the year of 2019, NDA 2 2019. We found out 25 questions only from the physics part. So if you can see, the least number of questions were in the year of 2017 NDA 2, and there were only 15 questions. So regarding from all of these, we have to analyze the average, and by analyzing the average, we can have the expected number of questions and the marks division. So from physics part, we can expect around 22 to 25 questions, and because each and every question carries 4 marks, so regarding that, we can expect around 88 to 100 marks only from the physics subject, from the whole of GAT section. Okay, so around of the 100 questions, that means around from the 400 marks, you can score 88 to 100 marks if you have the potential to completely study physics, and if you have if you can completely attempt all the physics questions correct, then I can assure you that you can score around 88 to 100 marks very easily. So concentrate on the physics section. Going on with the next important subject is about the chemistry. And from the chemistry, if you can see, the number of questions are ranging from 11 to 15. Maximum number of questions came up in the year of 2019, 2017 and 2016. In NDA 1 of 2016, in NDA 1 of 2017 and in NDA 2 of 2019, we have seen a maximum number of questions, and that are 15 questions. Around 5 years back in NDA 1 of 2015, we have found out the least number of questions, that is 11. So from the chemistry part, you can expect from around 12 to 15 questions on an average in the coming up NDA examination. In the coming up NDA 2020, you can expect around 12 to 15 questions. So this is also an important part. So by scoring very well and good in the chemistry section, I think you might be assured to score around 48 to 60 marks in the coming up examination. So take up chemistry also as an important subject. So going on with the next important subject is about the biology. Biology covers everything regarding the botany and zoology. Understanding? So when I'm telling you about the biology, then I'm also telling you about the botany and zoology part in a detailed way. While combining both of these particular important questions that came up from the biology, and we can expect that the maximum number of questions came up 5 years back in the year of NDA 1 of 2015. We found out 15 questions from biology, and we found out the least number of questions, only 4 questions from biology in the year of 2016, that means NDA 1 of 2016. But if we see the coming up the recent trends in NDA 2 of 2019, we found out 9 questions. In NDA 1 of 2019, we found out 11 questions. So by making up and by calculating the average number of questions from all of these last 5 years, we can expect around 10 to 12 questions from the biology part, and so by scoring completely correct answers from the biology section, we can assure you that you can get around 40 to 48 marks out of the whole of 400 marks if you are scoring well and good in the biology part. Okay. Going on with the next most important subject is about the Indian polity, and as said that Indian polity carries a little bit lesser importance while coming up with the NDA examination, and whatever the questions that are asked in the Indian polity, they are a little bit different and they are a little bit tough. Okay, not every time the Indian polity questions are easier, but maximum by analyzing all of these questions, whatever questions are there, see, they were around maximum of 8 number of questions in the year of NDA 1 of 2016, but we found out only 2 questions in NDA 2 of 2019 and only 4 questions in the NDA 1 of 2019. So by analyzing all of these, we can say that we can expect around 4 to 6 questions in the Indian polity part. When I'm telling you about the Indian polity, this covers everything regarding the Constitution of India and the Constituent Assembly and each and every particular member regarding that. So the polity questions are a little bit tricky. They carry a lot of importance, while that you have to remember having a very good and a very brief knowledge about the articles and about everything regarding the constitution, and it will also always help you in scoring better in the examination. By scoring completely correct answers in the Indian polity section, you might expect around 16 to 24 marks out of the 400 marks. So this you have to remember. Going on with the next important subject is about Indian history and world history. When I'm telling about history, this covers everything regarding the ancient history, medieval history, modern history and world history. Compared to the world history, the Indian history carries a lot of major importance because world history questions have been started in the year of 2015 and only 1 or 2 questions came in the world history in every year. But in the considering the Indian history, both all of the ancient, medieval and modern history are all considered to be very, very important. Least number of questions from the history came up in the year of NDA 1 of 2015 and a maximum number of questions came both in the year of NDA 2 of 2017 paper and in NDA 2 of 2019 paper. So these you have to remember. By analyzing this particular important bar analysis, I can tell you that you can expect around 15 to 20 questions from all of the 100 questions regarding the history part. So by scoring completely correct answers in history, you can expect to score around 60 to 80 marks out of the whole of 400 marks in the complete NDA GAT, the general section paper. Okay. Going on with the next important subject is about the geography. Geography considers everything regarding the physical geography, world geography, Indian geography and everything. So when I'm talking about geography, the maximum number of questions came in the NDA 2017 paper, where around 24 questions have arrived, but the least number of questions came in the same year, that is around 2017, and that in the NDA 1 of 2017 paper, that were only around 12 questions. In the recent trends, we can say that we can see by going through 17, 18, 19, 20, that means the number of important questions are being covered, and this number is increasing every year by year, paper by paper. So by analyzing this particular analysis from the geography NDA previous year, I can say that you can expect around 20 to 22 questions from the whole of 100 questions in the coming up GAT examination. By scoring completely correct answers from the geography part, you can expect to score around 80 to 88 marks in the whole of 400 marks in the GAT paper. Going on with the next important subject is about the economics. Economics, they do carries a very much importance, and both economics and polity are equally important to each other, where both of the subjects carry a little bit equal importance, as I told you. So maximum number of questions from economics came up in the NDA 2 2016 paper. That means around only 6 questions, and the least number of questions are coming up in a very serial way. Always everything in every paper from NDA 2 of 2017, both the papers of 2018 and both the papers of 2019, they contain only 2 questions in specific from the economics part. When I'm telling you about economics, please remember I'm talking everything regarding in detail about the strategic economics. I am not talking about any intergovernmental schemes or the government schemes that are released or the current affairs. All of them are coming under the current affairs and the strategic section. Those questions I'm excluding, and I'm only including about the economics related questions, purely economic subject related questions, and they are a little bit less. Okay, so this is what you have to analyze. So in the coming up economics paper, you can expect around 2 to 5 questions from the economics part, and by scoring completely correct from the economics section, you can gain around 8 to 20 marks in the whole of 400 marks in the economics section. Going on with the next important strategic subject is about the current affairs and the static GK. Current affairs is the dynamic general knowledge and static GK is a static general knowledge. When I'm talking about the current affairs, that means the daily current affairs you have to be compulsorily following are both current affairs section and the defense current affairs section. If you follow well and good regarding the current affairs section, and if you are completely well acquainted about every GK PDF that we have provided to you, you will be in a safer side for the coming up NDA examination. Coming up with a number of questions, maximum number of questions from this particular section came up in NDA 1 of 2017 paper, and a minimum number of questions came up in the year of NDA 2 of 2018. That means only 4 questions. So by analyzing this particular trend, if you see there are around 6, 8, 13, 10, 15 and 16. So by analyzing this average, we can say that you can expect around 12 to 15 questions in the coming up NDA examination. So you can expect by scoring completely correct answers in the current affairs and the strategic section, you can score around 48 to 60 marks in the whole of 400 marks of the NDA examination. Going on with the final important subject is about the defense specific. If you are completely following our defense current affairs, then I can assure you that you can score all of these questions also in a very particular and a very brief way. Going through the defense current affairs does not only help you by scoring better in this defense specific section of the NDA, it will also help you after you go through the SSB interview. It will always be extremely helpful for all of those who are preparing for the SSB interviews. So regarding this particular section, there were no questions in the year of 2015, there were 0 questions. And in the year of 2016 paper 1, there was only 1 question from this part, and in NDA 2 of 2017, there was only 1 question. Coming up to the 2018 year, NDA 1 2018 carried around 4 important questions from this defense specific one, and both the papers of NDA 2019, NDA 1 of 2019 and NDA 2 of 2019, it carried around 2 important questions from this section. So by analyzing these number of questions, I can say that you might expect around 1 to 2 questions from the defense specific section for the coming up NDA examination. By scoring correct for both of these questions from the defense specific, you can score around 4 to 8 marks in the whole of 400 marks for the defense specific one. So now we will have a complete analysis of the overall subject wise. If you see this important pie chart, it is very clear and it is very understandable that you cannot leave any subject for granted. Understanding, see, the current affairs and static GK carries around 9%. Physics carries approximately around 19%. See, this is an approximate percentage coverage in the coming up NDA examination that we have expected. Chemistry carries around 7%, biology 10%, history 22%, polity 8%, economics 4%, geography 19%, and defense specific 2%. Regarding all of these particular analysis, I can tell you that the maximum number of questions will come from the part of physics, history, and geography. Okay, if you concentrate more on physics, history and geography, you can score around more than 50 to 60% of the paper will be completely covered. And you have to go through other important subjects also. Regarding the chemistry, regarding biology, you have to score very good marks in the biology, because biology carries sectional cutoff also, so that you have to be very careful. Compared to the English and the mathematics papers, this particular section does not carry which particular subject is very much important, which particular subject that you have to completely cover up. You can't give up on any subject because scoring very well and good is always acceptable in each and every subject here. Each and every subject carries its own importance and each and every subject has its own cutoff. So I urge you and I request you to not to leave any subject and have a complete analysis and have a complete concentration on all of these subjects to completely cover up all of these subject syllabus. Then I prefer you and I request you to go through our study plans. By going through the study plans, you can completely cover up each and every subject in a very detailed and in a very specific way. By that way, you can have a complete and full-fledged holistic development through your NDA exam preparation. So that is it with this particular session. For more content and authentic information about the examination and the detailed study procedure, you can visit our website, and I highly recommend you to download our Android app from Google Play Store. We always dream to fulfill your dreams. Always stay motivated, work smart, and Jai Hind.